It looks like the post-election rally has really waned off, Priyanka.
Absolutely, Shyansi. Morning, the first thing what we need to watch out is after 10%, nearly 10% of correction in Nifty, CLSA increasing its allocation to India to 20% now, and Moody's, the post-election rally that has taken a breather. In fact, all three indices, they have taken a hit last week. US market fell more than 2% if you talk about last week. Investors are anticipating a lot of cues now. Federal Reserve may slow its pace of policy easing. This is one of on Friday exactly. Dow, S&P and Nasdaq, all three fell. In fact, US 10-year yields, they jumped on hawkish words when Fed Chairman Jeremy Powell spoke about the US markets and about the pace of rate going ahead. After falling for 3%, it is still up 5% in the month of November. But then yes, US market came off from its all-time high, and last week we saw a little breather on US markets. 10-year yield, they jumped on the hawkish comments from Jeremy Powell. But what about
coming in for the week as a looming supply glut as well as a stronger greenback was something that weighed on crude prices. So when you take a look at US crude oil, you're looking at a loss of nearly 5% this week. In fact, the week gone by, and when you take a look at Brent, that has also declined nearly 4%. So when you take a look at WTI, you're looking at price levels around what you're looking at in terms of the downtick for WTI. Now, US crude oil it was losing just about more than 6%, at least on a year-to-date basis. And when you take a look at Brent's January contract, that's the one you should be looking at. $71 levels is what you're looking at there as well. Downtick of 1 point. Election victory, that was something that we were looking at. And it was, of course, OPEC cutting its guidance for the fourth time. That is also something that we were keeping a very close eye on. And moving on, then let's also take a quick look at gold prices then, because gold prices did post their biggest weekly decline in over 3 years as expectations of less December 12th on Thursday. So those were the kind of levels that we were looking at when it comes to both oil and gold, Priyanka.
All right, absolutely. But
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.